All right, so it's time to do the sanding. All right, so I already started up above. So starting with the rough. So this is a rough sandpaper, right? Just afterwards, I need to put some fine and then some extra fine. Well, this wall's done. This one over here, I'm almost done here. And all that's left is this, and this, and this, and that in the back there. So yeah, still lots to do. Check it out, look at all this stuff. Right, this is a lot of dust to clean up after, right? It's like snow, but it's not cold.